আমি ভাত খাই, I tries. আমি ভাত খাবো, I will eat tries. আমি ভাত খেতে চাই, I want to eat
Ami bat
tries.
kita try. Okay, so ami bat kai, I try. Ami bat kabo, I will try. Ami bat
খেতে
keta
চাই।
try. Ami bat keta.
Yeah,
Ami bat keta try.
চাই।
Chai.
I want to eat tries.
Want to try. Want to try. Ami bat keta.
Wow, you're very good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Yeah, I am good. Thank you.
Awesome.
Where are you from, ma'am?
Where am I from?
Yeah, where are you from?
I am from the United States of America.
Okay, good. I am calling from Bangladesh.
Oh, Bangladesh. Awesome.
Okay, what's your name, ma'am?
My name is Samantha. What is your name?
Wow, my name is Nuruddin.
Noruddin. Nice to
Yeah,
meet you,
yeah.
Noruddin.
Okay, ma'am. Nice to meet you also.
So
Yeah, ma'am. Your name. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, your name Samia Akhtar. Okay. In our county, Bangladesh, this is common name. Every girl's person. Okay, available person name Samia Akhtar, Samia Akhtar, Samia Akhtar.
oh gosh. Now Samantha is very common here.
Okay. Oh, okay, ma'am. Yeah. What is your religion?
My religion?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Em-
No.
Oh.
No.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Actually, ma'am, yeah, today I want to talk with you about preposition. Okay, ma'am. If you give me some knowledge, I will be very happy.
Okay. That'd be fine.
Can I ask you?
Sure.
Okay, ma'am. My question is that, yeah, what is between two different, back and aback? Please kindly give me some information about this.
About epic and what was the first word?
Yeah, back and aback.
Big and epic?
Yeah.
Okay. So big is more so it's big. Something is big. Epic is not just a size, but something incredible. So when you are amazed by something, that is epic. But if you're amazed, you can't say something is big. So this is a big dog. You can say this is an epic dog, but it needs to be an epic dog if it can do tricks and is cool. So that's the difference. Big is more so what it looks like. Epic, you feel emotions. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I have understood.
Okay, cool.
Thank you very much
No
for
problem.
giving me good knowledge.
It's no problem. Do you have other questions?
Yeah, actually, I have other questions. Yeah, font and in font. Okay,
Front
font.
versus in front.
Yeah.
Okay. So in front is where you are. How do you? So let's say you have a car. You are telling someone to go to the front of your car. So it is the front.
Yes.
Maybe there is a cone in front of the car. So it is an object that is in front of something. So let's say there's a cone. You're telling someone, hey, go get the cone in front of my car.
Yes.
So in front is usually if there is an object already there. Front is a general space term. So front of your face, front of a car. My phone is in front of my face. So in front usually involves an object in front of something. Does that help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. I have understood.
Perfect.
You are very good teacher for Cambly.
Oh, thanks. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am.
Awesome.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, your finger. Yeah, this is very nice.
Oh, my fingers. Thank you.
Your finger. This is very beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Thanks so much.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, actually, ma'am. Yeah, if Allah wants, okay, next time I will call you.
Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. I will look forward to it.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Yeah. How many languages do you know?
I can only speak English, but I can understand Italian, some Polish, French, and Spanish. But I am learning Korean.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's very good. You can only fluently speak in English. Am I right?
Yes.
Actually, I know Bengali, Arabic, English.
Nice. Yeah, I can read and understand other languages, but I can't speak.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, if you don't mind, I want to tell you our Bengali language. This is very small. Okay, repeat after me.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. This is Bengali language. Okay, very small. Okay, repeat after me. Yeah. Ami bat kai. Ami bat kai. Yeah. This is very good. Ami bat kai. Yeah. Do you know its meaning?
No.
Yeah. It is very interesting. Yeah. Okay. This is mean I tries.
Oh. Ami bat kai. Okay, I will write Ami bat kai.
Yeah. Wow. You're very good. Yeah. Ami bat kai. Okay. When will you it tries? Then you will tell. Okay. Then you will say Ami bat kai. Okay. Ami bat kai. Okay. This is future. I will eat rice. This is Bengali sentence. Ami bat kabo. Okay, repeat after me.
Ami bat kabo.
Oh yeah, this is I will eat rice. Okay. Then ami bat kai. This is I eat rice.
I tries. Okay, so I tries and I will try.
Or this is other sentence. Ami bat kete chai. I want to eat rice.
Ami bat kete try? What was?
Yeah, you're very good.
Ami bat kete try. Okay. Oh, ami bat kete.
Yeah, I want to choose. Okay, you can speak Bengali. Ami bat kai I tries. Ami bat kabo I will eat rice. Ami bat kete chai I want to eat rice.
Ami bat kete try. Okay, so ami bat kai I try. Ami bat kabo I will try. Ami bat kete try. Ami bat kete.
Yeah.
Ami bat kete try.
Chai. I want to try.
Want to try. Ami bat kete.
Wow, you're very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, time is very short. Okay, next time I will call you. Okay,
all right, sounds good.
Okay, ma'am. Tata, bye. Okay. Bye.